Might have our first fish on here, guys. I'll be getting channel catted. I don't know, there's some tension on it now. He might be a little guy hanging on to it. What do you think?
Yeah, get real on it. It's kind of turned over now.
Yeah, he's on there. Fish on.
Just swimming off with it. Like,
Yeah.
That's what I found.
That little guy. The rod of steel makes him feel insignificant.
Might as well use like a broom handle or something,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Oh, is that a heavy action?
Heavy. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What they all are.
Yep. Hey, we got the skunk off the boat anyways.
Fast?
That didn't take long at all. Watch this be a skipjack. No, I didn't put a head on this. I put a body chunk on here.
A little greedy.
Yeah.
2-pound greedy one.
Yep. That's on the new Catfish Sumo sinker.
Oh yeah. I'd like to thank my
Daryl's sponsor.
Daryl's sponsor, Catfish Sumo.
There we go. Nice little kitty cat. Boy, he got all that hook, man. I believe he's hooked pretty dang good.
Golly.
Wow. That Daiichi stuck him good. There he is, guys. First fish of the day. Let's let him go. We'll let him swim away, and knowing that he's gonna fight another day. Come back and see me when you're about 50.
Put one right back down there.
Yeah, we're gonna put that right back down there in that same spot, see if we can't get another little kitty. Go get his big brother. We're just doing a combination of thing today, guys. We're doing some suspending, and we've got some lines cast out behind the boat. We're actually in an eddy right now. We're in a reverse current. Got a lot of current on the main river, so we're posted up in this eddy in a deep hole fishing the current seam, and we're actually facing the stern of the boat is facing back upstream because we're in a reversal. But that's what we're doing today, guys. We're just fishing eddy line and current seam, looking for catfish. Water visibility is kind of dark today. Had a lot of rain the last couple of days, but we're just out here on the Tennessee River doing our thing. This is my buddy Brandon from Facizzle. That's hard to say, but hey, if you ain't already subscribed to Brandon, go give him a subscribe and like and a thumbs up.
Yeah, thank you, Bob.
You're welcome, buddy. Let's go get another one. Fish number 2 today. Got Mr. Brandon hooked up. He's bouncing. Caught that one on a Hellcat with a 6500 braid on it.
Brandon special.
Is it a netter? Hey, let's try the new net out.
Maybe slightly.
Yeah.
Slightly, I can tell you. He's just down there going wild.
Yeah, he's excited.
Might be about the same as that other one.
So are we. That's all right, man. Catch these tainers. Well, yeah.
On the boat with the angler of the year. What can you ask for?
A 50 maybe?
We'll take that.
We could ask that. We're out here hunting something in the high double digits. We'll take a triple if it comes along, guys.
Oh.
Oh, flatty!
Should have reeled this one in, Bob.
Sweet, man. My first flathead of the year.
Yeah.
Pretty guy too.
I told you we'd catch a flathead today.
Yep, sure did. That's a beautiful fish.
Awesome.
Look at that, guys. Big old yellow belly on him. I love these fish. Their mouths, they're not like blues. They ain't gonna tear your hands up trying to handle them. Boy, he's stuck. Them hooks work, man. Get that out of there. Fat fingers won't go in it. He's been in the mud too, guys. His belly's just covered in mud. God, that is a pretty fish, man. His color is just awesome. Water temperatures are in the mid 50s now, so these flatheads are waking up, coming out of their winter slumber.
What's wild is I was commenting about how this fish was shaking so much down there.
Yeah.
I didn't think, no way it'd be a flathead.
It is. We caught that flathead and got it in Jody's net, the flathead queen. That's why we caught it. We got Jody's net on board. There it is, man.
Guys. Beautiful fish.
Yeah. Look at my eyes on top, right on top of his head.
Oh, the black on the tail.
Yeah, he's a predator.
Thank you.
He gone. Good job, buddy. Heck yeah. Fish number 2 today, guys. Guys, we got so much flow out here. We moved out of the shallower water, and we're over here at 115 feet now.
Yep.
And we can't even keep a 16-ounce cannonball sinker on the bottom. That's how strong the flow is. We got logs going by us, and we're just gonna stay here a few minutes and see you. There's a little bit of ridge that runs down the middle of this deep hole in this deep water. So we're kindly dropping our baits right next to this this ridge that lines up with the current seam, and see if there's anything here. But we won't be able to stay here long because we're spot locked and the trolling motor is pretty much running wide open right now. Oh, look at there, crappie. Get it, boy, get it. Fish on, guys. Yes, sir. Fish number 3 today. On my new Mad Cat's bolt rod. Oh, it's nice blue. He's a little bit better now. Better fish. Yeah, good hell. Nice enough to. It was nice enough. It's like a 20 pound. It's number 3 for today. Muddy water, fast, muddy water. We're fishing current breaks today. There you go. Fish on, guys. Check it out, Ben. This one's going down. Oh yeah. You good? That's a pretty good one. Yeah, buddy. That's a decent fish, Brandon.
Heck yeah. You can tell with that slow takedown.
Yeah. That slow pull.
Did we put a headpiece on that one?
I think it does. Is that the one that's got 10 ounces on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If
reel in this one beside it.
Okay. Yeah, probably. It's a good idea. Yeah, this is a decent fish, but look what it's on.
We did not catch this Mad Cat.
This is not a Mad Cat's fish. Yeah. He might not be. He might be more current than anything. He's feeling more like a 20 now.
I'm gonna say 30.
Well, we have been edging up.
That's what we said. We went 10 to 20. Catch this 30.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he might be 25.
Yeah.
He's doing that spinny thing. Big headpiece. Step down and yeah, man, he's like been on a carnival ride. He's just spinning and spinning and spinning. Hang on, let me swap. Come on, big boy. Come on up now. Almost. Got him? Oh.
He's going down.
Okay. He might not be a monster, but he's got a gut on him. And he's in the net. Yeah, buddy.
He's an upgrade.
Yep. Oh, he might be about the same size as that last one you caught.
A little fatter belly on this.
Hey, let's weigh him just for giggles.
Alright.
Let me get some grippers. Yeah, he got a Daiichi in the head. That's that one we sharpened this morning, ain't it?
The red one?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, Lord. These hooks got some massive barbs on them.
Yeah, they do. That's what you want, though.
Yeah. There you go, guys. What is that, fish number 4?
Number 4, yeah.
4 today. Nice big fat bellied blue. They're getting fatter.
Yeah, that one just has that loose piece.
Yeah. He's 22 pounds.
22. 22 pounds.
Yeah, 22.2.
From an undisclosed location.
On the Tennessee River. Ah, there he is, guys. We'll let him swim away so he'll fight another day. What in the fish snatcher? Come on, buddy. Listen, you're open. All you gotta do is let go. He gone. He wouldn't let go of the grip. Doing the brand new sneak. Here you get. Come on now, you can do it.
Oh, the Hellcat now.
See that Hellcat gone. Oh, fish on, guys.
Yeah, he's on there.
Sweet. He probably went to a smaller bait.
It's definitely a small fish.
That yellow bolt kept getting hit, and it still looks like it might be getting hit. Oh, got a double?
He almost hooked himself.
He's working on it.
Channel cat, we got the trifecta.
The trinity of catfishing.
He's a small blue. Big.
Yep. A little bitty feller. Probably boat flip him. He's got your.
Oh, yeah.
Channel cat line. I don't know, I think I'll let you figure that one out.
Hey, thanks, pal.
Easy. Did he get you?
No, I'm just gonna take this stuff off.
Well, you want to throw it out there. We've just about caught a fish out of every spot we've been to today, except for one. He's a skinny. Look how skinny that guy is, man. He is. Wow.
He needed to eat.
He needs to eat some. He's long and lean. Easy, boy.
There he is. Fish number 5. Very skinny, man. Look how
he's
thin
emaciated.
he is. Yeah. Go back and eat some.
He gone. Oh, fish! He finally got it in his mouth. Whoa! Good job.
Is it a little guy or a bigger
Fish on, guys. He don't feel like a monster. He's probably a tainer. Has some good head shaking action. It feels good on this medium heavy with the low profile Revo Toro. Some good head shaking action. It's on spotted bluegill head. Yeah. I'm hoping it's flathead, but I think it's a blue. It's a blue. Decent sized blue.
Fish number 6.
Yeah, buddy. Good stuff. He's not worthy of the big net.
No, he wasn't.
Gotta be worthy. We're gonna tie up a big donkey rig. That hook set, guys. About the corner of the mouth. Perfect. I believe these water's warming up, day's warming up, and these fish are on the move. Beautiful fish, guys. Look at that guy. Yeah. Let's try to see if that right there's the hook mark. Yeah. Yeah, let's let him go. There you go. All right, guys. Donkey bait about to be deployed. Put your hand behind that, Brandon. And get scale. This is, oh!
That's massive.
Got 10 ounces of weight and a massive donkey bait. There goes the gut pocket. Did you backlash? That's 10 ounces of weight and probably another 10 ounces of skipjack or more. Hooked up. Been a while since our last fish. All these rods back here have been getting toyed with, but Brando's hooked up now on the Hellcat.
Holding on for dear life.
I'm not sure if he can handle this fish or not.
We'll see.
I keep y'all out of the wind, guys. The wind's picked up out here. Good bend in that Hellcat.
Yeah, we were right. Be a fish hiding in this current. So
Yeah, there's a beautiful current current seam right here, and I just got done telling Brandon, I said, there's no way there's not fish on this current seam. It's just too pretty. A lot of high flow today. I'm gonna take you out here and look at that that buoy, channel marker buoy is bent, let me tell you. And right now we're sitting on the eddy line behind this rock right here in about 30 feet of water. We'll need the net.
Yeah, we'll need a net.
Get the net ready. He's gonna have to weave in and out of some rocks here. Big net worthy or
probably about like the other two we caught.
yeah, they've been all about the same size today.
There it is.
Get that big head in there. Come on, man. Come in behind him. He's wrapped.
He's wrapped, so he just kind of...
He gave up.
Yeah.
Ah.
No, he's wrapped in.
Oh, he's got a couple different lines on him. What he got going on?
Oh, of course he does.
Yeah. What lines has he got on him?
The Hellcat.
The other Hellcat? Yeah. Can't get him unwrapped. I bet you he'd go 18, 20. Sorry about that wind noise, guys. It's a howling out here. Oh, he's got the split fin, the forked feeler. All right, gonna let him go.
Let him go. Let go and you can go.
See you, buddy. He gone. He gone. Good job, my friend. That's like a plan. It is tied off, right?
Yeah.
Supposed to?
Yeah, it's supposed to come out of that hole. Someone's got that. Look where the line's going there.
You're right. Oh, there's fish over here. It's under the dang boat. On this surprise fish. Bonus surprise fish, guys. We didn't even know he was on. He took the bait and went underneath the boat here at the donkey hole. I hope he ain't in that prop, is he? Raise your motor up. He might be in the prop. No, he ain't in the prop. He just swam away with it. That's too funny.
He wanted it.
He almost feels like he's in something. That's some good head shakes. Caught us sleeping.
Fish number 8.
Ocho. Ocho gato.
On the shallow side.
Yeah.
Mud.
He come from over yonder. That's funny. Probably one of the smaller pieces of bait we had out too. It feels so different fighting them with braid.
Yep. Feel
Every head shake.
Makes you paranoid they're going to come off when you feel that though.
Mm-hmm.
That shaking. Any good?
He feels like probably 20, 30. I just saw some bubbles.
About like the rest of our fish.
Yeah.
Today.
We're in a lot of current though. We're in a lot of current, guys. So every fish is gonna feel like a monster. Dang it, he's going back behind the boat again. Ah! I'm coming back at you. He's trying to take me. He's trying to take me around the corner again, Brandon.
He's whipping you.
I know it. The current's whipping me is what it is. I'm gonna put a little more drag, a little heat on him.
There you go.
Come on. He's in another line, ain't he?
Oh no, he's in the cannonball.
Oh God, he's in the 16-ounce line. I skate him to the boat. Heavy water.
That's why it felt so heavy. That's teamwork.
No doubt. He's probably been hooked for a while.
One more pull and then we'll
What a debacle. Hey, he's in the net. Good grief, the current's strong. Not a big fish, just a lot of current. There you go. We're on anchor, so the trolling motor's not giving too. You know, when you're on spot lock, you get the give of the trolling motor. I wasn't used to that. I don't ever fish on anchor. Just wrapped around everything. Pretty much cookie cutter size today, guys. We've caught almost every fish has been about that size. They're in. We're on anchor now, so he felt like a monster fish because we're on anchor. There you go. Had the cannonball. Not a monster, but hey, it's good fishing.
about time you start pulling your weight.
Look at that. Hit it again, hit it again.
About time you start pulling your weight. 16 ounce cannonball. I'll let it get one more tug.
Oh, it's on there. It's pulling that 16 ouncer up off the bottom.
That poor fish.
The sinker weighs more than he does, probably. We got a 16-ounce cannonball sinker attached to the end of this line.
With a tiny body chunk on it.
With a tiny piece of bait on it. This will be the first fish we've caught on it today. You'll get a net. I see that. He's gonna knock himself out with that sinker if he ain't careful. Oh my Lord, that thing's so small. That's a little flathead, ain't it? That's funny.
Look at him skiing in.
Skiing the little flatty in. Nope. That sinker weighs more than he does. That's hilarious. Well, the flatheads are biting finally. That's a beautiful fish right there. Look at him. Pretty guy.
Tiny little guy. No wonder I couldn't tell if he was on or not.
Yep. So the sinker probably weighs more than he does. Any flathead is welcome aboard though. Big or small, we'll catch them all.
It's got a lot more of the black markings on him. He looks cool. Burping a little bit.
Beautiful little fish. He gone.
Like that.
To the back plate, man. Huh?
What did it do?
Twisted it sideways, man.
No.
It's holding good, bro. Dude, that was my bad, man.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's scared the crap. Get this to deal with. I'm sorry, brother. John.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Decent little fish. This is like our umpteenth anchor spot today.
Yeah.
Fishing current seems.
Fish number 10.
Fish number 10 in the beautiful Tennessee River Gorge. It's about all we can do today, you guys, is fish current seems. Heavy flow today. Heavy flow, muddy water. We just had a little scare with the anchor too. We lost an anchor. Hey, little feller. Little old bitty guy. It's fish though. Watch this.
Okay. I don't need no net.
Boat flip this guy. He's a little fatty though. Look at him. Oh, I thought he was hooked through both lips. It's like, dang. Them hooks stick them. There he is, guys. Little old bitty. I don't know, he might be about 7 pounds. Pretty fish though. Definitely gonna let him swim away so he can fight another day. See you, Budro. Yeehaw! All right, guys. Wait a minute, my brain went. All right, guys. Me and Brandon had an awesome time out here in the Tennessee River Gorge today fishing. Water temperatures are on the rise, fish are biting. We didn't catch no great big fish, but we caught a lot of numbers today. A lot of nice fish in that, 10 to 20 pound range. We had a ball. Weather's beautiful today, and things are looking up. It's springtime. We're easing into springtime now, The bite's picking up, the fish are putting on weight, they're eating heavy. Guys, again, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you don't mind, please click that subscribe button, that like, subscribe button, and click that bell so you receive notifications. We'll be uploading new videos. Also, check out my buddy Brandon's Facebook page, The Shizzle, on YouTube. I think he might have a Facebook page too, whatever. But guys, thanks for watching again, and God bless.